We landed in Dubai about 7 in the morning and decided to take the metro to our hotel as it was a cheaper option than taking the taxi. On arrival at our metro stop, we walked about 1 kilometre through covered walkways to the Dubai Mall. From there, we carried on another kilometre alongside the road to our hotel, the Millennium Central. It's a 4-star hotel costing about £60 a night. After booking in, we took the local shuttle back to the mall where we started our bus tour. We visited the old part of the city, spent most of the day on the bus, but did get off to see the Frame, one of the country's newest cultural attractions, offering glass floored experience 150 metres above the surrounding street. We hopped back on the bus to finish the circuit before having a bite to eat. Then in the evening we went out to see the city lights.
We're fighting, we're hurting, don't be afraid. This secret, we're going.